All right, it's the completion video of the steel tank coolant pressurized overflow tank. All right, here we go. Show you what I did. I had to relocate the air filter restriction gauge. Nothing but a fancy vacuum gauge. If you look, that's inches of water right there. Not vacuum, but inches of water. All right, so, or inches of mercury. So I had to make these longer, 7 inches. This is 10 inches. I used 5/16 stainless steel bolts and nuts back. They were 3.5 inches long. I apologize. Even put for the base of it, I got a piece of rubber right there. You can see how thick it is. That's screwed down. All right. And I had to double up the hoses back here. Let me see if I can show you. A lot of 1/4-inch clamps. There you go. So I put some fresh ones on there. Double clamped them. Overall, I got about 6 hours into this. I'm going to get ready to fill it, fire it up, and see how it does it. It doesn't mean that the only leak that's on here, but this one was really leaking bad. So right there it is. All right, remember I had to cut that off. I showed you in video 1 where I made like a 2.5-inch hole. Bring the hose up from below. Everything's plastic. That's where they all crack, basically right in there, if you can see it. So I used a 2x4, cut it long ways, 2.5 inches this way. Spray painted black and all, made it look good. All right, that's video 2. Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember the motto, test not guess. Please give me a thumbs up. Follow me on my Facebook page at about 34,000 members. That's called RV Diagnostics. There's the YouTube channel here. Hit subscribe and hit the little bell next to the word subscribe. That'll tell you and notify you of all the new videos I put out. Thank you very much for doing that. And the other one is the school and garage, which we're in right now. It's Seaford, Delaware, 19973. Give me an email at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. That's plural, diagnostics.com. All right. And the other place is the website where you can do one-on-one with me. And that's www.rvdiagnostics.com. Go to the page. There's a bunch of testimonial videos on there. I've saved people thousands. It's probably totaled last year of over $200,000 saved. Yes, it costs $150 a year. Okay, but that ain't bad. And the important part is you're going to learn how to do this stuff over and over and over. We just saved a guy with a 310 or 325 HWH. He repaired the board himself, got it all working, showed him how to troubleshoot it, found the problem. That saved him over $1,200–1,300 right there. Yeah, we had about 8 hours into it, going back and forth, tracing out circuits, but he learned. And what he learned how to troubleshoot there will help him more on his RV. Folks, I'm not just going to teach you one thing. I'm going to teach you that one thing that you can use over and over and over. There's about 80-some things that you need to know, and we'll learn them one at a time. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Test, not guess. Safe travels, may your campfires burn bright. Where we're going to meet again, we'll meet at the filling station. We'll meet on the road. We'll meet at the campground. We'll meet here at the garage. Bye-bye.